Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is Microsoft Word. We ran into a problem, and this is happening when you try to open any Word documents in Word for the web. Now to fix it, the first step is to clear browsing history. So you can, if you're using Google Chrome, in that case you can click on these three dots over here, and then you can go to settings, and once you go to settings, click on privacy and security, and then click on delete browsing data. And on this page, you can select all time. You can select these three options, that is browsing history. This deletes history from all sync devices. Read carefully. Cookies and other site data signs you out of most sites. You will stay signed in to your Google account so that your sync data can be deleted. Cache, image and files. So if you agree, you can click on delete data for all time, and then you can try to access your OneDrive, and then you can check. If you are using Microsoft Edge, in that case at the top right, again click on the three dots and then go to settings, and then go to privacy, search and services. Here you can see clear browsing data, and then choose what to clear. You can select all time over here. Browsing history includes auto completion in address bar, so this will be deleted. Download history will be gone. Cookies and other site data will be gone. Cache, images and file will be gone. The rest of the thing, in my case I have unchecked it, so you can uncheck it. So if you agree, click on clear now, and once this is done, try to access the Word documents in the web and then check. Still you're facing the problem, in that case you can use different browser. Suppose if you're using Chrome and you're facing this problem, so instead of Chrome you can use maybe Mozilla Firefox, or maybe if you have Microsoft Edge you can use Edge. Now if you're using Edge, in that case you can use Chrome. So try to switch to different browser and then check. Still not working, in that case you can click on these three dots. In Chrome you can use this new incognito window and then try to log into OneDrive and then try to open the Word file. And then if you're using Edge, in that case you can click on the three dots and you can use new in private window and try to log in to your Microsoft account and try to access your Word file and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.